If you are facing any battery drain issues in Samsung mobiles, then watch this video. In this video, you are going to see how to turn on battery protection in Samsung mobiles. This feature helps to decrease the load on the battery, which results in a healthy battery in the long term. This is an inbuilt feature that is available in almost all the latest Samsung mobiles. So, to enable and tweak these settings, open settings on your Samsung mobile, then scroll down and select the battery option. After that, here you can see the battery protection option. Click on it. Now turn it on to unlock additional settings that you can tweak. Here you will see three options followed by a slider at the bottom to select how much percentage the battery should charge. Basic means it charges the mobile up to 100%. After that, charging will be cut off. Then it starts charging again only after the battery level drops to 95%. The next option is adaptive. It charges the battery up to 80%, after which charging is cut off. Later, before you wake up, it charges from 80% to 100%. This is totally depends on your usage pattern. If you usually charge your mobile overnight, this option is very useful. Also, do note that this feature takes a few days of data to analyze your sleep patterns. And finally, the maximum option, which is my favorite and you should use this too. It cuts off charging when it reaches a certain battery percentage. You can set the levels with the help of the slider at the bottom. I usually keep it at 85% and sometimes at 90%. You can set it up to 95%. You should not charge your battery to 100% every single time. Once a week is completely okay to keep the battery calibrated. So just use maximum protection to keep your mobile battery healthy for a long time in your Samsung mobile phone.